Alright guys, so I wanted to make this video. This is a 07 Escalade. This is just the base model. I think it'll work for all the Escalades, but I wanted to make a video on the P0171 code. As you can see, I'm lifting up this plastic piece here that covers over the engine, because this is a big problem. This is a big problem across the World Wide Web, because I've been looking for a fix for this code like forever. Mine was showing bank 1 in this car, and what I found out was, after doing a lot of research, I actually came in to find out that removing the top cover, it wasn't a problem with parts. It was a small piece of rubber that was causing the issue. As you can see on top of the engine, right here, right there, if you follow that hose all the way down to the back, right there is a small piece of hose that connects right back there. And I removed both of them, because I removed both of them, the upper and the lower. It was just causing an oxygen leak, and that's the reason why I was triggering the code 0171. I changed a lot of stuff, never found a problem. The one I took off the car looks just like this. This is the exact one, I'm sorry. This is the exact one I took off the car. Look at the opening right there. So it has a small, like an elbow right there. Now I couldn't find the exact one, and I did not feel like going to the dealership, so I just went to one of the parts store locally and bought a small piece of rubber right there, like a transmission rubber, cut it, and it does an excellent job. Since then I haven't had any problems, because it connects at the bottom right there. It connects, come on, right up, follow this hose all the way on up, and then over here. This is bank 1. The driver's side is bank 1 on the 2007 Escalade. So being that I had this problem, I decided to just go ahead and check out. Let me move this out of the way. I'm sorry guys. I went ahead and came over the passenger side and came to bank 2, and I just went ahead and changed this one also. This one goes down here. It's the same rubber, it's the same piece. I mean, if you find at the dealer, it's the same exact piece. There it is, same exact piece. But I figure it is better to change it now rather than wait until later on when it starts to give you a code, online. But this is bank 2, but I didn't have a problem with bank 2. But while I was changing bank 1, I realized that bank 2 also had a problem. So look at that. See the crack right there? That's what I'm talking about. So because of that crack, it was only a matter of time before this one started to trigger a code. As you can see, the one on bank 1, the crack was bigger, so of course we're losing a lot more oxygen. Right there, we're losing a lot more oxygen. But if you look at it's just a small piece of hose. Doesn't really do anything. Well, it does a lot, I'm sorry, but it's so like I said, this is on a 2007 Cadillac Escalade. Just had to change that to remove the P017 code on bank 1, and I just went ahead and did the one on bank 2 just to avoid any issues going further. And yeah, it's been at least 4 months since I did it. I haven't had any problems since. Cadillac really did a good job. GM really did a good job on these motors. This one has a few 100,000 miles on it, and it's been working pretty well. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I